Good morning, everyone. Feels good to be back with you all. Good morning, good morning. So, how was everyone's weekend? How was the trading without me? I guess is a good question. What's up, Nitro? How you doing? Good morning, good morning. Everyone, to hit the likes and share the live as you come in. That would be helpful. What's up, everyone? Good morning, Madeline, Jeff, Alex, Ken. I can never pronounce your name right. You're gonna have to tell me. Kand. I don't know. I know you told me before. But what's up, Danny? Welcome in, everyone. Glad to be back with you all. Madman will not be with us for a few days this week. He is on a camping trip. Yeah, he's camping this week. What's up, everyone? I'm just sharing the live. Then you'll have my undivided attention. I'm not for sure what kind of trip it is, Allie. Good morning, G-Man. That's good. A good vacation. You know, here's a vacation for the kids. So. Gotta keep the kids happy and all that stuff. Let me talk to Team Bull. I haven't told them good morning. Been running behind.
Fix your life overnight, but by having one good day of good decisions every day, you will.
Good morning, Team Bull. How's everyone?
What's up, Crazy Glock?
What's up, man? How has the market been since I've been gone?
It was great Thursday and Friday. Wednesday was on some BS. Missed you, man. How was your vacation?
That was good, man. I do it for the kids, you know.
Yep.
I'm ready to grind. Had a nasty workout this morning.
On the grind.
Oh. I woke up like 3 a.m. last night or this morning, could not go back to sleep.
I hate when that happens.
Yeah, man, me too. Appreciate it. Glad to be back with you all. Vacation was a success.
Nice. We're in a very interesting spot with the market now between either A, going back into that daily range if we keep going up, or lose 28.2, or that this downside, we could see a pretty aggressive move down. In my opinion.
Honestly, I think I would like the second one there. Keep going down.
Down? Me too. Me too, bro.
What's up, everyone? Good morning. Me, Bill, good morning.
The thing is, if you
Jackson?
can't sleep, you can just trade London.
Yeah,
Dean, bro. Seems like I couldn't sleep, so I was trading till 3 in the morning. Sir, need your beauty sleep. Come on.
For real, man.
Get your coffee this morning?
Yeah, streamlining it here.
Nice.
Put me right at 400 milligrams on the morning. uh, all right, everyone. Welcome in. Missed you all. Just catching up with Team Bull there real quick. See if we can't make a bag today. Everyone already forgot I live trade. Where is everyone this morning? It is Monday. I'll cut some slack this morning. This is good. I'm just ready. I'm happy to be home. Ready to grind with you all this week. See if we can't stay locked in together this week. I'm gonna trade every single day with no bad luck. Thanks, Tiffany. I think I still have some Apex accounts to give away. So we can do that today at some point. I swear, the older I get, the less I like traveling. I don't know why. Maybe to change. You know, maybe once I get to my 40s, that would change. I don't know. We'll see. I like my home, you know. I built it. You know, I got it set up, the environment that I like. What's up, Lando? You almost 440 last night. What are you doing? Good morning, Emma. Welcome back. Medman is camping, everyone. He may be with us a little later in the week. He does not have service right now. I guess they're getting one trip in before the baby gets here, you know? Good morning, Esteban. How are you? Adrian? Who'd I miss? Long's right before the open. Why do you think that, Ryan? Oh, I got you. I misread if it wasn't before open. I seen a weird. I mean, it was a halfway decent looking setup. We had a big fair value gap here, and it just came right through and ripped through it. I didn't take the trade, but it even had point of control. It just ripped through all of it, then sold back off. Hopefully, we respect technicals today. Oh, don't worry. I'm going to be fighting them myself today, Jackson. Good morning, Thomas. One more push. One more push to share the live. I'll leave you alone for a minute. All right. What was I going to do? I'm going to run a quick ad on YouTube, okay? I got it set up where I do it manually. I'm just trying to boost the algo right before open. Just letting you all know. Gee, man, you just started following me? I thought you'd been following me. You finally fell asleep at 3 a.m.? I was going to ask you about that, Danny. I bet it is miserable there, huh, this time of year? So hot in Vegas. What's up, Kelly? Hummer? I'm down. I want a quick work day as well. What's up, Jumbo? I'm just glad to be back with you all. I'm not gonna complain about people sleeping in this morning or anything. I'm just gonna trade. What is it? I got to go fishing once on my vacation. That's a win. I take it. I am dark. I didn't the first trip. I didn't get dark. This trip, the arms at least are dark. All right. Market's about to open, everyone. Good luck today. Let's do this, Team Bull. Let's make some money. Try to at least. Friendly reminder, everyone. If Jaden and I take a trade, if it's a losing trade, it's his.
I was going to say the same thing.
The
market is officially open, everybody. As a reminder to everyone in Team Bull Premium, welcome in. Appreciate you guys being here. No lag or delay.
I end up going to Florida again. Just a quick trip down there. All right. Did I miss this quick push up here? Did that just like wick up? I missed it completely. If you have any questions, please drop them in chat. I'm happy to be back. I'll do my best to answer every question today. Every single one. Good morning, Naya. How have you been? Oh, let me adjust this for you, TikTok, where you can see this better. Good morning, Zach. It was good. Good vacation. Come back and my garden was like crazy out of hand. Let's see. You've had too much coffee? Yeah. I don't know if there's such thing, but I see what you're saying. You got a little too much caffeine pumping right now. Good morning, Slag. Watching this Asia low. I'm assuming everyone already knew that probably, that trade with me. Hopefully we don't hit it anytime soon here. You're short biased now? I mean, looks like it's just gonna sell off without us. So how did everyone in here do while I was gone? Did anyone trade or you just take a vacation as well? How'd it go? Travis, I was ready to be back, man. Guess I could turn on my orb, huh? I'm not sure why that's not on. I got home and went on to my desktop, and none of my trading view charts would work. I had to start them all over. That's weird, huh? Let's see. Good morning, Sosa. Nice, David. If you did trade, I hope you all made a bag. Nice. You all don't need me anymore.
Well, got a big opening range so far, 620 to 490, so 130 points already.
I was watching that 28,500 for a bounce, but can't take it off the opening candle.
Gotta add my Grisology on, slacking.
I don't know how one would trade without it.
What?
I don't know how one would trade without it, you know what I mean?
Me neither. I don't know. I won't know.
I'm gonna bounce that Asia low and rip. It always does me dirty. I wish I'd just wait till after the first 15 minutes to hit my levels.
All right, let's see. Asia low and high.
28,500 low. Where I consider the Asia low at least.
And we are. We swept Asia low and now it's ripping.
Yep. That was a game plan. It just happened on the first 5-minute candle, you know? Alright, bots, leave me alone.
As far as our daily chart goes, everybody, we're still in this range of potential downside. Now,
good morning, Nick. Madman will not be with us the beginning of this week, everyone. He'll be back soon. He is camping. Just want to let everyone know. I know I've said it 3 times, but people's rolling in. Good morning, San Jose Barber. I just trim at the price targets, Jerry. Usually just do half my position at a time to keep it simple so I'm not overthinking it, you know. We don't always have a lot of time to react and, you know, day trades that turn into scalps, so that's just how I do it. I'm just glad to be back, San Jose Barber. What's up, Droid Man? I wanted to say thank you to everyone. You all really used Code Grizzly a lot while I was on vacation. Felt nice, you know. You all didn't forget me in the time I was gone. What's up, Shazo? Did you all see the YouTube video I put out on Grizzology supply and demand? My next vacay, hopefully in a year or two. What is it? Yeah, it is good, Shazo. I'm ready to grind. Thought about doing some solo trips. My daughter would be mad. Like, it ain't my fault you have to go to school. I spent entirely too much money this month on vacation, traveling. So it retested that previous day point of control, huh? What are we thinking, everyone? Thoughts. I want your thoughts, please. YouTube, can you run up the thumbs up real quick while we're just hanging out, if you don't mind? Nice, Jonathan. You made 460 on the day. Weird. Some weird price action so far. What are you hitting at the gym, Jonathan? I had a push day this morning, and it felt amazing after vacation. What's up, Alexander? Well, if we lose this Asia low, everyone, we may use it for a short entry, you know? You know what I mean? I've got to get better at keeping up with my taxes better, managing them. I feel like I just cause my accountant all kinds of trouble constantly. All right. Any questions? I was hoping we didn't make the 15-minute range any bigger here, but it's not the case. I'm not for sure, Strazo. Do we have data this morning? Is this a wait? I'm so confused on the week. Is this FOMC week? I'm gonna have to look at the news, the data. Okay. So FOMC meeting on Wednesday. They're saying they're just going to keep them the same, right? Keep rates the same, unchanged. Thank you. I would appreciate it if you chilled and gave us an entry. Outside working again, Jesus. Good morning. Looks like we're going to get a good trade here. Good setup, at least. The Asia low will be tempting to not short if we retrace to it. What's everyone's thoughts about that? Asia low short entry? If we had a little higher volume. Anybody? See what Jadon thinks. What's everyone think about an Asia low short entry? Oh, 28,500.
15-minute range. I can see it. A little higher risk.
28,500 stops at about 54 points worth of risk.
Point to downward this week. That said, we have lots of earnings, tech, and FOMC.
Don't do me dirty.
As far as our first
setup. Like we're getting low today, everyone, so scratch that for now. Missed the reject area by about
below all other
15 points.
Move below 2-minute and the pick.
All right. Excuse me. Thanks, Paula, for sharing that with us. So Amazon, Meta, Apple, and Microsoft have earnings, plus FOMC meeting on Wednesday. I'm going to close out my CRM position close to earnings on the leaps. Maybe like the day before, unless you just rip. I think CRM earnings is what? End of August? 1st of September? I have to double check. I have it in my notes. Do what? I'm confused what you're saying, Richard. I apologize. But if you're talking about my chart, my indicator chart's all that for us. If that's what you was meaning. Welcome in. Good morning for those just joining. I know it's Monday, but I'm glad to be here with you all. Thankful I'm healthy. Right. Get to hang out with the like-minded people every morning. No, this is TradingView charts, Richard, and it's go to my website, Richard. Check it out. Read about it. GrizzlyTrades.com. Called Grizzology. The indicator is. If you don't like it, don't try it. It don't seem like it's going to work for you. You know, I find it weird how people use it so differently, though. Like Jaden, he likes it. The reason he likes the Grizzology so much, it's not for confirmation. It's just it takes his morning prep time. It cuts it in half, right? To him, it's worth that. Just charting all the key levels, doing the 15-minute range, all that stuff. But some people use it strictly for supply and demand. Just not one use. You just got to use what you like. You know what works best for you. What is happening to NVIDIA? Did they have news? That you can do that as well, Emma. But are you joking? Are you serious, Jackson? Jim Cramer really was tweeting about Nvidia, then it dumped? Or are you just joking? That's hilarious. I think Jim Cramer's really on our side. When he does that, he knows it's going to do the opposite. He just expects us to catch on, you know? It's like the wink. He just don't give the wink. Keep him out of trouble. Yeah. What was that, Danny? Was that plus 884 on the close of that previous candle? Is that the delta you was referring to? So since we made a low day, is Asia low out the window right now? Or still we should watch for a reject? What do you all think? We still looking for shorts? Or are we gonna wait? That was just quick. Literally, just straight up. I didn't have a limit order in, so I didn't get in the shorts, everyone. That was quick. All right, everyone. If you see a setup, please let's talk about it beforehand in chat. I'm not in a trade. I'm trying to get a read here for us. My initial game plan was to go short at 28,500, but the previous candle had a nice strong delta, and at the point of touching Asia low, we had a nice strong delta. So it may flip on this candle and give us entry based off this candle alone. We'll see. Jadon's talking. Let's see what he's saying. All right. What's up, Jadon?
Asking if you were going to take that Asia low.
Man, I made that low a day and I was hesitant. I didn't get in. I hesitated.
Would have been nice, like 1-to-1 so far.
Yeah. Considering point of control now, a little bit higher up. Like when Nvidia bounces today, it's going to take everything with it if it bounces. Asia low is going to give me FOMO.
Yeah, is she moving down?
Candle looks good for shorts here. If we had more volume on that previous candle, I would start a short position now. Still got decrease in volume though.
Jada, your build seems like you'd make a good fire, bro. Honestly, I'd be down to be a fireman. Everyone loves firemen. Shout out our men and women who are work firemen. You know, no one ever says F the fire.
Might be better off, Josh. Just go with some Walmart leaps, man. Well, we hesitated on this Asia low, everyone. It's my fault. It's our fault. But it's over. It happened. We missed out. Let's wait on the next setup. What's up, Ryan? No, I have nothing but respect for first responders, so that's clear. I have met a couple weird firemen, though. I mean, this people that you ever meet someone that just was so different, they just stood out to you, like you just. I'm not gonna say they was kind of weird in a way, but I met two fire guys, men, both just out there. Because every time someone mentions it, joining, I think about them. One of them was a creeper. Well, I had one of my good friends was a fireman though, but they would make him stay there for the craziest shifts. I believe he just liked to stay there. Honestly, he just got so used to it, he just never wanted to leave. That's right, Richard. I mean, there's a reason for it. What's up, Liv? Good morning. You qualify for another payout, Fabiola? Nice. No idea, Ali. No idea where the bottom is. No, no. We would have taken this Asia low trade, everyone, but we couldn't all get on the same page. It's a group effort here. I like to have the majority of us agree on the setup. Missed you all. Interesting volume on this. You all, what's going on here with this volume? Can you all tell me? What does this? I mean, it's your first thoughts on this big low volume candle here. It's got one more minute. I know. Henny, I tried to just make it where we can actually talk about it in the chat, but you're right. Maybe a poll next time. It's just hard to do it on point, you know. It's hard to get a poll up quickly sometimes. It's getting a low volume here at the end. Maybe it won't be too off. We'll see. Yeah. Yeah, 400. The orb technically is valid, everyone. But what a range. And Q just not going to give us a pullback. The orb's actually valid. The breakout candle's valid. We'd have to have quite a bit of a pullback to get shorts, though. Yeah, 420 area.
Asian low was it, bro.
I just hesitated, man. It's my bad.
Asian low was it. User 1086, he said, I'm a effing idiot. Don't talk to yourself like that. If you talk to yourself like that, you will act and execute like that. Not even on some hippie talk, but positive self-talk only, man.
Words hold weight, carry weight.
400 area. Watch it for shorts, guys. Damn, I was really hoping they'd give us some sort of retest up. Not happening yet.
Andrea, are you looking at Grisology, or are you using a different indicator for Asia? Because my Asia levels are based off the openings.
This was the one right here.
I've back tested and get respected well.
I wasn't looking at taking it, but
it's debatable. My Asia opens a little earlier than some people consider it, but it's well respected level, and this one. There's more than one Asia, okay? Just so that's clear. My Zoom, there we go. Thought my Zoom messed up for a second. Got Tokyo. I had to quit. I had to take London high and low off my charts because so many people like, why does this keep moving? Why does London keep moving? Like, the session's still open.
This next candle forms.
It's currently open. That's why it's moving.
It's on high alert.
Someone asked me where I thought the bottom may be. Grisology says we have some demand here hourly. So. Yeah. So. Make sure you hit the follow, everyone. Go live every morning, other than when I was on vacation last week. But I'm locked in. Vacation time's over. Let's see if we can't make a bag. I'm just going to make it adjustable, Alexander. That way people can decide what Asia session they want theirs. You want Japan? Or what's the 8 p.m. one? My brain's still in vacation mode. Higher volume. But look at these candles. Volume candles. See? This is what I didn't want to see, everyone. If it was going to take a bounce, I didn't want to see aggressive selling right out of bounce. If it says that on Grisology, your chart settings must be different. I don't know. Your own NQ chart. You have to just send me a DM, okay, with your screenshot the levels, and I can help you out, okay? Your chart. Are you working right now, Danny? Trading and working? Multitasking? Oh, he left? He had to work. Got to get to work. I didn't see his message. Dang it. I'll have to message him. Any questions? Rambo, you talking about eval? Yeah. Unless you're over the consistency rule. It'll say right there on your dashboard, should. I do not. What do you mean? I'm confused. I feel refreshed. Friendly reminder to everyone, if you would like to trade futures with us, you don't have the money to fund your own account, you don't want to fund your own account, you just want to, get started for under $100, go to grizzlytrades.com, look at Tradeify. I like the 50K select. Take profit is great. Apex is great. You can trade up to 20 accounts on Apex linked together, where I reach my biggest payout at. Just use code Grizzly for the discount. If you don't understand prop firms and want to learn them, download my free ebook there, or guide, whatever you want to call it. Compares, walks you through it. GrizzlyTrades.com, yes. Yeah, the Lightning accounts with Tradify are the ones you can skip the evals with, but you have to be careful with the consistency. Okay, you have to understand that. You got to know how to do it. It's base hits with that type of account. You have to stay within your consistency so you can reach a payout without having to make a ton of money on the account. This candle here is definitely not going to confirm a bounce for me. It's not going to have enough volume. I can already tell you that. The only place I could short everyone would be between 410, 427. That would be my short entry if I took one. I'll let you all know. We have to see what we look like when we get a little closer. Everyone hear me? Understanding in case we get in a trade? Everyone seems to agree with that for the most part. Luke, I said I was looking for a short up here in this area. Thanks for all the likes, everyone. Appreciate it. It's gonna have decent volume. All right, and Hugh, we want you to go up a little bit before you continue on down. I don't, Wizard, I don't like it right now. We just, too much selling pressure here. I'd much rather get a short entry. Respectfully, of course. Excuse me. It is a Monday, but I was hoping to rip some NQ with you all. We got plenty of time though. So. Does anyone have Bookmap up? If so, can you tell me where the orders are right now? The buyers, sellers, the most that we have. No, it's Jackson. So we got sellers at 375. Interesting. You think they'd be up there closer to that 400 at least. Let me see if that guy's mentioned it back about the new edition for Grizzology. I want to show you all. I don't want no one trying to steal my idea because it is a good one, you know. I want when I share it with you all, I want it to be ready to drop nearly. I thought it would be done already, but it is. Nice. We got 3 new Grizzology users today from the live. Appreciate you all for joining. Let's see here. I feel like I have to relearn how to use the WAP app every time I log in. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's the truth. I'm excited as well, Emma. Fabiola. Gene, the big money's in OTC market? Not for sure about that one, Gene. What is it? What are you doing over there, Chazo? You vacation or what? That's good. Okay. Gotcha. Well, this demand is holding us up here. Hoping to push us up to a short entry. That's the only area we got at this point, Lance. That's what I was waiting on. I would take a bounce here if Grizzology would confirm for us. I wouldn't mind to try it, but like I said, it would surprise me if we got enough delta volume, enough positive delta, and high enough volume to confirm here.
Man.
What's up, Gene?
What's up, man? How's it going?
Good. How you been?
Is the 2 bar freaking 2 barring?
Yeah, we're still in the same area.
Is that 2 barring? Wow, the 2 bar is 2 barring, everybody. The 2 bar is 2 barring.
All right. Walk back in here. Still not filled. ES gap hasn't. Hope it rips for you, Wizard. Go to Wizard's entry and rip up. Welcome in, everyone. We're looking for a trade here. We're waiting. Please stay locked in with me, though. No forcing. Get too bored, let me know. And always break out the dad jokes. Everyone's like, okay, we're not bored. Oh. I'm not taking the bounce down there. Wizards watching it in the chat. I mean, I hope it rips. If it bounces, great. It's just I couldn't get in the trade because it doesn't match my strategies, It's okay. Hope it has enough liquidity down there to push me up to my short. Only thing I hope for. Push up for Wizard. I feel like I'm the only person that roots for a members trade in the comments. Even if I'm not in it, we're always rooting for them at least. Let's see, Fabiola. You going back to bed with the baby? Is that what it is? Get a little nap in? Just a casual 300-point move from the Asia Low was watching. I knew it. I was talking about her going back to bed. Not that we was going to reject. Droid man, I have not caught a trade yet. I'm trying my best. So if you're just dropping back in, you're right on time. See if we can catch one.
If we move up, if we get some aggressive move down first, then move back up, no dice. However, I will try it. Let's see. So 210, 220. I'll probably try it with like 1 mini, like 10 micros. So I'll put on.
What are you looking for? 212? Hello?
something, man. I think it's higher risk, especially now that we're moving below this previous low here. It's just got a little more high risk too.
I want to know why you didn't take shorts at Asia low.
Yeah, I know. What are we
Talking to myself.
Yeah, I'm also trying the shorts like 210, 220 area. I'll probably do like actually 5 to 8 micros on my live. So I'll keep my risk below $1,000 on my live account. It's just higher risk because we're in this big demand zone. Big demand zone. So there's a chance we just
Droid man, just create as much income as you can outside of your job. Make sure you have. Don't just rely on trading alone to make your, pay your bills, feed your family. Before you quit your job, make sure you have other things paying you. Good morning, Mark. Thank you. Glad to be back. In queued it straight down. Literally, the only short entry we could have got was the one I made us miss out on. Hesitated. Frank, real quick, YouTube, how's my screen look to everyone? Is it not looking good? Maybe something going on. It looks good on my side, Frank. Anybody? All right, Frank. You might have to refresh or something. I have to add more RAM on this computer. I know that. Ear pain. Oh. Let's see. Where you look? Where's the gap fill at, Alexander? Let me look. Was the gap fill right here? Am I tripping? I mean, how do we even take a short at this point? We'd have to pull back quite a bit for me to try it. Thanks for using Code Grizzly. Whoever just used it for Tradeify. Where you at this morning, Thomas? You still around? Gonna ask you, you almost ready for school to start, but not much longer now, huh? Gotta take my daughter to school shopping. School clothes shopping. Oh no, it's fine, Thomas. I just want to talk. Hoping this bounces for Alexander. Seems like they've worked you half the summer, though. Oh wow, Grizzology had a sale here and demand or supply. What time was it? Why am I just now seeing this? It's a nice sell-off, which I'm okay with it. I'm okay with the sell-off today. I just hope it doesn't make tomorrow choppy. You all know how it can be when we have the big moves. The next day, especially when it's overnight for some reason, the next New York session can be tough. Just digesting the move, choppy. We have to keep that in mind for something like this. Oh no. Sorry to hear that, Thomas. Don't let it bother you too much. We have all been there. All right. Last time I say it, unless I forget, but share the live for me. I would appreciate it. I'm gonna do an Apex eval giveaway at the end of this live today. Just to let you all know. Nice, Jackson. You deserve it, man. What's up, Big Bank? How you doing? So I said big back for a second. I was like, what?
I should have. That's the one that got away.
You talking about Asia Low?
Not even Asia Low, bro. My 2-bar up at 10:15 candle Eastern time. I honestly wasn't even looking at Asia Low. I know you were. We didn't have the volume on the 5-minute. It was still early in that 15-minute range, so. And I don't think this is going to be a 2-bar because, listen, here this is a good lesson here. We have higher volume, but what do you notice about these two candles here?
Start with the A.
I would actually argue this 28,000 area could be a bounce now. If we had some high volume reversal, this candle is significantly smaller. This is an anomaly. We have higher volume but smaller candle. So someone's lying here. Buyers or sellers, someone is lying here.
One big green candle that buys it all back up.
I can't believe I missed the 200.2 bar though. That sucks. It won't suck in like 10, 15 minutes, but it sucks right now.
No trade for me yet. Still waiting.
For the record, though, the education's there. I wish with that 15-minute chart, I would have 100% taken that.
Where do we even look for a reject at this point, my friends? I'm not in a trade. Still looking for one. Be patient. Good things come to people that wait, that are patient. I mean, if we got the volume confirmation MJS, that would be the only world I would try bounce. The only situation. People hate me when I say this, but I never the only thing I wait on is my key levels, my areas. I wait on confirmation, but I never know which way the market's going to move. I just don't believe it's possible to know all the time how it's going to move or if it's going to trend the rest of the day or not. You can have high volume days that trend well. Then you have the decreasing volume days where it just climbs all day, right? And doesn't make sense. So I never try to predict the move all day. I just know from my backtest results the zones and key levels I use. And confirmation is what I need to wait for. I need to manage my trade the same way consistently. Invest bullish long term and trade key levels. See, even a few people from YouTube left when I said that. I don't know why it triggers people, but that does for some reason. This is interesting here, my friends. Can someone check the delta on this for me? Interesting. Delta, please. Is it plus? Is that? Or negative? I need a negative or plus. I'm assuming negative. That was plus right now? Let me know what it closes at. Anybody? We need this quick. Close 6. Not enough for me. Everyone try this bounce. And it's red, so I'm not trying to bounce. The candle had closed green, possibly. Had a little more positive delta on it. This is a wild sell-off, huh? Wild. You know what is up today, everyone, is our CRM position, and the Netflix is up if you bought in after earnings. I don't know if anybody took any leaps or calls. Not something we talked about a whole lot here, but the CRM is something we've been discussing. I'm just hoping we can get over that 180 point on CRM. I know we're in profits now, but I want that big move on the leaps. We still got plenty of time. Netflix has relative strength today. Have you all checked that out? Relative strength on Netflix. My goodness. What a sell off. I know we don't get FOMO here. We keep each other in check, but let's be honest. The Asia low hurts a little. I don't care how much this one you have. I have to stare at it until we're done. It's literally right in front of my face on my chart that you all are watching. Yeah, of course, Josh. I would love. I, I still want to day trade with you all. I love day trading, but I would love for, as a community, our community to move towards some bigger plays like that with leaps, swing trades, stuff we have more time with, not as risky. That's what the big dogs do when you get to the point. If you Jimbo, I don't know. I just like I said, Jimbo, I don't try to guess which way we're going. When it gets to my key levels, if we get confirmation, I trade it. If not, I wait till it gets to the next. It's not your fault, Emma. Not your fault at all. Shazo, I feel that, man. I'm gonna hang out a bit longer with you all if you all want to hang out. See if we can catch a trade. We're gonna have higher volume on this candle. Higher volume candle, but this looks sketchy to try to short at this point. What's everyone's thoughts? This candle closes down here with that 28,000 or short entry. I'm gonna have to fix the chart for you all. It's just leaving the chart is selling off so much. The screen, rather. How's that? Is that good? You need me to adjust it more? TikTok? Let's see. I'm not taking this, but we would have tried shorts here. The only reason I'm not taking shorts, we just sold off a ton. We're gonna have to trace back to like previous day low or something for me to try shorts. But anyways, we would have got in at 28,000. Stops would have been 28,045. Yeah, for real, Mark. That's the thing about trading. You see moves like this, and we see missed opportunities, and we haven't chased. We've done it right, but if we had chased, we'd have made a ton of money, right? Days like this can build up bad habits if you're not careful. Jaden's in shorts. I'm not taking shorts, guys. No, no way. No way, my friends. Maybe up around this previous day low. Could print, but we're getting overextended on lower time frames here. Not that it won't probably rip for him. I'm just saying, not something I can take. Oh, stomach going wild. Kindle. It's not going to have higher volume, I don't think. It'd have to really get with it. It would have to really get with it. Bill, where's it stop at? Oh. Previous day low will be the area I'm going to watch for shorts, everyone. You can see it right there on the chart. But just because it touches it doesn't mean I'll take it. I'm going to watch volume and delta closely as we approach that. Picked up volume pretty quickly there. I didn't think it would have that much. Let's see. Nope, I'm not in the trade, everyone. Still watching. We haven't talked about food today. That is rare for us. YouTube, TikTok. Doing like this. It's Monday. I just want to make my bag and get out of here. I'm trying to talk to Team Bull here. Seems like Jadon may be speaking. All right, Team Bull. I'm gonna watch up around this previous day low for a possible short. 212.
I like that too. I like that 280.
280.
I can see why you like the previous day low too.
Yeah, I'm gonna watch that. See.
Well, I'm not taking in, bro. You're literally on a TikTok chat. God bless. Really tiny. 80% win rate.
Jadon up there fussing with him in chat. Hilarious. Kind of want to try it up here, but I'm gonna wait to that key level. I know we have a fair value gap there, but still, It could be it. I'm going to be patient and wait on previous day low. More things working in my favor, the better. We have the midline and previous day low close to the same area on the fair value gap. Doesn't feel the same without Midman with us, huh? Good old Midman. Man deserves a trophy dealing with me all these years. Yeah, Medman in chat. Everyone knows Medman, right? Literally, money, mind easy. Jay doesn't let them talk, but if someone brings negative in here, this tries to start something, gets on my nerves, I just block them. I don't have the effort to talk to people like that. I cannot fuss with a grown man. To this day, I cannot fuss with a grown man. It's not in my. I don't fuss with anyone, for one, but. Wow, look at the volume on this, everyone. I caught some. I guess it was like sheep's head, Jeff. I'm no professional. I don't fish in the ocean often, but I think that's what I was catching, the sheep's head. I know I like eating them. I've never done, cooked them myself though. Caught them fresh. This is crazy to me. People are, I was fishing off a pier, and people swim close to them piers, right? I mean, we've all seen it at the beach. And the amount of big sharks that just swim around out there close to people swimming is wild to me. Literally, people getting their bait bitten half constantly by sharks, which it doesn't bother me swimming there, but let's went to Florida again. Yes, they are, Josh. I would agree. One of my favorite for sure. Yeah, people slinging hook close to the pier. I'm looking up here for shorts. This previous day low area. If we just rip through that with high volume, the only thing I have after that would be way back up here. We'll see what happens. Question is previous day low, everyone. So let's talk about this real quick. So there's no No guessing, okay? Precious Day Low. There we go. Everyone, I'm watching Precious Day Low here. No, this previous day low. So if we get in this trade, we have to position for our stop loss to be either 261. Well, it would have to be 261, honestly. Unless you tried to set it at 224. That's pretty tight stop. Chances are it's going to get hit. You might get away keeping it a little lower, but technically, I set it right at 40 points or something. Let me see. You heading out, Bill? See you, man. Thanks for joining, hanging out with me. Nice, Alexander. I hope it just continues on up, man. At least to my reject area. Thanks, David. Glad to be back with you, man. I'm going to be live every morning this week with you all. Don't forget, I got to give Apex accounts away, so stick around for that, everyone. Pretty sure I still have quite a few left. I'll have to check and make sure, but I can always get more if I don't. It could be the what happens. Stomach growling some more. Not ready for some more coffee, but I don't know if I need any more caffeine at this point. YouTube drops an ad right when we enter the trade. Don't you do it. Keep going. Keep going on. It's all good, Nelson. Thanks. So are we all we're gonna try the previous day low reject, everyone? Is that what we're thinking? I'm just gonna let everyone know I will be going light size on this trade. Getting a little later in the day, for me at least. Aggressive sell off. Now we're pushing back. So if I get a short here, I'm gonna go kind of light because I will be keeping my stop somewhere. I may pull it down a little further than the top of this candle, but right in the 50s, at most 60. We'll see. Depends what I get my average to. I may do like a 200 and something add, then add a little more right above that previous day low. Try to get a better average like that. may sell back off before it actually touches the level he's watching. We'll see. Light, Frank. Light would be whatever your account size is. I don't know your account size, Frank, but you just have to do the math, Or, I guess, Frank, an easier way to do it, just take your normal position size, cut it in half, or even a quarter of that. Even if we don't touch that, if we get a nice confirmation, so basically a red candle, good volume, we could if there's not too much risk, we could try our entry off that and keep our stop at the top of the candle. That's another possibility. You heading out, Alex? Have a good day, man. The hollow candles I use just come here. Could be right there. In your candlesticks. What's the delta looking like on this candle here? Small, huh? All right, Team Bull. I'm watching this up here for sure.
Yeah, I like that area too.
Oh, gonna put me to sleep before we get there. You could just hit that 200 and reject, but I was trying to hold off for like a 212 entry for shorts. Give us a little better R to R. We'll have to keep her stop. It's gonna be 50-point ish stop, so.
Oh, come on, man. We never went up to that 210 area.
Oh.
Stay consistent. Yes, sir. That's what we do. I like to see us have a failure of this previous day low area in the pivot 210.
$50 stop is brutal for prop traders. I mean, Jay, if you just go one couple MNQ, you gotta adjust your position size, Jay, if you're gonna trade. In this market, it's hard to find trades that don't have a 50-point stop anymore. The way NQ moves, we get lucky if we have a 30-point stop anymore. At least I do. I feel like the tight stop losses is what can cost you more money in this type of market. Just trying to stop out for the trades invalid just because of the point risk. If you have room to move, it's better just leave your stop at, where it's invalid. Keep looking for Danny to tell me the delta on this. He's not here. Ideally around 1-1, Jay. 197. Have a good day, Jimbo. Thanks for stopping in. I want to get in shorts here, everyone, but it's not my favorite setup, Not yet. I think I'll have some sushi today. No, I take that back. I'm having steak. Steak. Had enough seafood and stuff at the beach. I'm still here, everyone. I'm just watching the chart. It's gonna give us the entry. It's gonna have to do it here soon. Still answering questions if you all have any. This is frustrating. Come on, this couldn't go up a little bit higher for us. I just look at the chart, honestly, history. All right, NQ, you're getting on my nerves. I'm about to do this giveaway. I'm gonna do a giveaway while we're waiting, okay? It's Apex eval. You have to DM me on Instagram to get these. It is Monday, so I'm just gonna do 2 today. But if you like Apex, first off, before I give this away, who uses Code Grizzly? It doesn't matter if you do. I'm just want to see. You can still win it, even if you don't use Code Grizzly. I'm just asking. All right, let's give Jay Quinn. Jay Quinn, I'm gonna give you one, man. I'm gonna go over to TikTok now. TikTok, does anybody like Apex? My chat. Let's see. S Stephanie, wait, STPHIIROME. You can have one, okay? I'm not for sure what your name is there. You have to DM me on Instagram. You can find my Instagram, grizzlytrades.com. You can find all my socials there. Do not fall for fake accounts. There's only one of me. There's only one real Instagram account. It's mine. It has a blue check mark. Verified. You're welcome. Well, I do think this move down has invalidated the reject I was watching, everyone. Would you all agree that it's probably best that we call it here? Come back in the morning? Jada's talking? Hold on. What's up? This market's doing us dirty, Jada.
Dude, I know.
If it had pushed up just a little higher, I would have been in shorts for sure. I would have even entered around 204.
Like, dude, if you want to take a trade, bro. Yep. I would have taken this. We got a failure candle up here. Just didn't get it.
But yeah, we'll call it, everyone. We'll come back tomorrow. We're gonna do this right. We're gonna have a nice week. We're gonna lock in. Even if we have a losing trade, we're gonna manage it the way we should. It's part of it, everyone. So, but anyways, see you in the morning. Peace.